In Kerrisdale, and we're in a condo. It's 1,400 square foot condo. Come and check it out. So we got a powder room in the front here. We've got laundry room, and you'll notice we got drop cloths set down, and we've got tape. Some of the areas, what we do is we tape it off to protect it, and in other areas, you'll notice the baseboards down here. Okay. So basically what we're doing is we're just painting the walls. We've got our staging area set up over here. We've got our kit. Looks like somebody just had their lunch. And you'll notice in some cases what we've done is we've taped off, like the thermostat. Usually what we'll do is we take off cover plates and that. In some cases it makes more sense just to leave it on because it of the wiring, etc. Drop cloths, paint tray set up, painter applying tape. Now you're probably wondering why are we putting tape on there instead of taking them off? Well, for some reason the way that those were attached is they've got two screws that are put in at an angle, and we just thought it would be too prone to creating an issue. We'd cause more damage by taking them off. So we're leaving them on, we're taping them around them, and then painting. And you can see, just to get things moving, we've put our first coat on the walls. This is Sherwin-Williams Krypton. I guess I'm not Superman because it's not affecting me. And I feel like Superman sometimes. Now, what also has happened is we've got our first coat on. In the meantime, we put drywall compound to do all our patching of all the small holes in that. And then tomorrow we'll sand them, we'll spot prime them, and then do a full coat, a full finish coat. All the walls got rolled out. You can see how they're not cut in, and we'll come back and cut them in. Ceilings, or it got cut into the ceiling, and that was just the first coat. Let's take a look and see what's happening in here. We've got a drywall repair going on. We've got Pat down there, and we're doing a repair here, and then we're gonna float it out with some 5-minute drywall compound, and then we can put a finish coat on top of that tomorrow. Keeps things moving along. And then we've got our walk-through closet, and then we've got the master ensuite. No painting. There's no painting in here. It's pretty much all tile. Pretty nice. And out here we've got a great view and a pretty nice barbecue too.